Good morning.
Good morning. We are at the top.
Yeah.
We slept very badly, but we have an amazing view.
Yeah, it's incredible. It's very early.
It's amazing. Yeah,
I think it's right before 6.
Yeah, we had to get up at 5 because sunrise is at 5:30. I think now it should be somewhere around 6.
Yeah.
And it's just amazing. We have a really clear sky, so we're really lucky.
Yes. So cool.
Yes. Just check it out. Selamat pagi. Aku mau nasi goreng telur 2 dan mie goreng telur 2 juga.
We wanted to go to a waterfall.
A beautiful one. It has been dry season now for quite some months, so this is the result of a half an hour jungle drive.
Too bad.
Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed this vlog. We really tried our best with the drone and
The rest of the footage. Yes.
Next week we are moving to Nusa Penida, one of Indonesia's most famous islands, so we hope to get some nice footage there as well. So definitely stay up to date and see you soon.
See you.